Create a built-in pet area that combines feeding, storage, and a cozy spot so pets are accounted for in the home plan. For a new construction upgrade, focus on durable materials and ergonomic placement. Plan feeding stations at a raised height based on pet shoulder height to reduce strain and mess, and install built-in stainless steel bowls with quick-release mounts for easy cleaning. Include pull-out food bins with sealed lids under the counter to keep bulk kibble fresh and to make scooping straightforward. Size the bins by how often you buy food and leave at least a 2-week supply accessible. Use washable, nonporous flooring such as porcelain tile or sealed concrete with a slight slope to a hidden drain if you expect heavy washing, and add a waterproof threshold to protect adjoining rooms. Provide leash hooks at a comfortable reach near the exit and integrate narrow cubbies or drawers for grooming tools, treats, and medication so everything is within one motion when heading out. For sleeping or containment, consider an underbench integrated crate with ventilation channels and a removable, machine-washable cushion to make cleaning fast and reduce odors. Finally, plan electrical access for a motion nightlight or warming pad controller and route ventilation or air purifiers discreetly if you have multiple pets to reduce allergens. Common issues include mess and odor buildup, awkward heights or access, and insufficient storage. Solve mess and odor by choosing sealed flooring, quick-release bowls, and removable cushions that go straight to the washer. Fix awkward heights by measuring your pet from paw to shoulder and setting bowl height so the elbow is near a 90-degree angle when they eat. Avoid storage overflow by mapping daily routines and sizing pull-out bins and cubbies to hold grooming supplies, treats, and at least a fortnight of food so everything stays organized and easy to reach. We built BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners discover local contractors who can install these pet-friendly built-ins and to help contractors find relevant homeowner projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and show real project photos to inspire practical choices.